Dobrodošli. Dobrodošli means welcome. In this lesson, we are going to learn some adverbs and practice putting pronouns, adverbs, adjectives, the verb biti, which means to be, and nouns, all together so we can start forming some lengthier sentences in Serbian. If anything we cover seems a little foreign to you, make sure you revisit the previous lessons to refresh your memory. Let's begin. To start, I want to introduce you to 3 useful adverbs. I will say the word in Serbian, followed by the English translation. Vrlo. Very. Vrlo. Vrlo. I think you may be familiar with this word from a previous lesson. Remember, adverbs never change, so vrlo is always vrlo. Izuzetno. Exceptionally. Izuzetno. Izuzetno. Jako. Extremely. Jako. Jako. That wasn't so bad, was it? Now let's see how we can bring all that we have learned thus far together to form sentences. How do you say, "She is a very good person"? Again, if you need to review previous lessons to review the vocabulary and grammar instructions, please do so and then come back to this lesson. If you feel prepared to continue on, then give it a try. How do you say, "She is a very good person"? Ona je vrlo dobra osoba. Let's break this sentence down. Ona je means she is, deriving from the verb biti, which means to be. Vrlo means very, and since it is an adverb, it never changes, and it does not have to match the adjective or the noun. Since osoba is a feminine word, we have to match it with a feminine adjective, which explains dobra osoba. When we put this all together, we have ona je dobra osoba, which means she is a good person. How do you say the country is exceptionally wonderful? I'll give you a clue. Zemlja means country. Zemlja je izuzetno divna. Again, let's break this sentence down. Remember, the word the is implied in Serbian, so you don't have to use an article. What gender is zemlja? It's feminine, so it must be paired with a feminine adjective. Since the word izuzetno is an adverb, it doesn't change. So we get zemlja je, which means the country is, izuzetno divna, exceptionally wonderful. Let's see if we can add in some possessive pronouns. How do you say, "My country is very interesting"? Moja zemlja je vrlo interesantna. How do you say, "The restaurant is extremely expensive"? Restoran je jako skup. How do you say his girlfriend is very nice? Njegova devojka je vrlo fina. One last question before we finish today's lesson. Take a deep breath and give it a shot. How do you say our friends, masculine, are very interesting? Before you try, please remember a few pointers. If you have 4 friends and 3 of them are girls and 1 of them is a man, you would still use the masculine form of the word friends because we use masculine anytime a masculine subject is included. Also, remember that if nouns are plural, adjectives have to be plural too. To make adjectives plural, you follow the same rules for making nouns plural. Remember the rule of 90, which states that 90% of the time, when you want to make masculine words plural, you add an E to the end of the word. For feminine words, you substitute the A with an E. And for neuter words, you substitute the O or E for an A. Having said that, how do you say our friends masculine are very interesting? I'll give you a clue. Prijatelj means friend, singular masculine. Naši prijatelji su vrlo interesantni. Wonderful job today. Stay engaged and keep practicing. You are already making amazing Serbian sentences.